Step 4. Familiarization with IFC Options. In this step, we will demonstrate how to configure an IFC building information database from ArchiCAD. IFC is the ISO standard that supports model-based construction activities. It shares rich building information among disciplines and professionals dealing with all phases of the facility development lifecycle. ArchiCAD has an embedded, one-button publish and import capability that allows users to send and receive design project data in IFC format. The latest IFC add-ons for ArchiCAD, together with the IFC user guide, are always available for free download from the GRAPHISOFT website. In this training step, we will focus on how easy it is to share an ArchiCAD design model in IFC file format with the other members of the extended design team. Activate the 8.4.1 IFC floor plan preset view in the Navigator view map to display a floor plan of the building. Let's have a quick overview of the project in 3D as well. Activate the next IFC 3D model view. As you can see, the office project has been nicely modeled using 3D building elements. However, IFC contains more complex information than a regular floor plan or 3D view. Let's return to the floor plan now and find out more about IFC-related building element data. Activate the next IFC floor plan part preset view. This view shows the concrete structural walls around the elevators in the right wing of the building. Make sure that Suspend Groups is switched on the standard toolbar. Select one of the concrete walls on the floor plan and open its settings dialog from the info box. The Wall Selection Settings dialog box enables designers to edit the geometry and positioning properties of the selected wall. It can also display floor plan and section properties with which you can freely define cut fills, pen colors, and wall priorities. You can also define and edit the model attributes of the selected walls or define listing and labeling properties. These are all important object properties, however, none of them is a standard IFC-related characteristic. IFC property sets and their content are crucially important when exchanging project information with other applications using the IFC format. The IFC tab page of the building object settings are not displayed by default, so let's switch them on now. Click Cancel to leave this dialog. Activate the Options, Work Environment, Tool Settings dialog boxes menu command to open the Work Environment dialog. Click to select the Wall tool at the Customize Tool Settings dialog boxes list. As you can see, the IFC 2x3 and the Structural Property panels are set to Hidden by default. Select the IFC 2x3 and then the Structural Property entry from the list on the right, and click the eye icon to show these panels in the Wall Settings dialog. Click OK to close this dialog and return to the floor plan. During daily work with ArchiCAD, it's recommended to keep the IFC panel hidden. By using it, the program is forced to deal with extra parameters which are needed only when exporting or importing IFC files. Make sure that the concrete wall is still selected and open the Wall Selection Settings dialog again. As you can see, the IFC 2x3 and the Structural Property panel are already visible in the dialog. Open the IFC 2x3 panel to review its contents. Notice that all of the IFC-related object attributes can be displayed and edited here. Now, expand the Structural Property panel as well. As you can see, the non-load-bearing radio button is selected, which means that this concrete wall is not understood as a load-bearing wall in the IFC project database. Click Cancel to leave this dialog. Let's set the IFC-related load-bearing properties for all concrete walls in the project. Activate the 8.4.4 IFC Structural 3D Model preset view. This 3D view shows only the structural elements of the model. Use the Edit, Find and Select menu command to open the Find and Select dialog. Choose Wall for element type. Press the Add button and select Layer from the appearing criterion list. Set the structural bearing layer for value, and then click the plus button to select all concrete walls in the project. Open the Wall Selection Settings dialog and switch to the Structural Property panel. Select the Load-Bearing Radio button. Finally, click OK to leave the dialog and close the Find and Select dialog as well. Activate the next 8.4.5 preset view to go back to the floor plan. Let's open the IFC Manager now to display all IFC-related object properties of the currently open Office project. Use the File, File Special, IFC 2x3, IFC Manager menu command. The IFC Manager IFC 2x Edition 3 dialog appears. This dialog enables designers to review the IFC containment structure of the project. All floors, as well as their building objects, can be displayed and edited separately here. Select and open the basement floor from the containment structure and open the walls container underneath it. Notice that all walls of the corresponding floor are displayed here. Select any of the load-bearing walls from the list. Click the Show Selection on Floor Plan button at the bottom left of the dialog. Notice that the wall is immediately selected on the floor plan. Close the IFC Manager dialog and return to the floor plan view. ArchiCAD's IFC Manager functionality provides quick and easy access to all IFC-related building element information. You can freely change element attributes and property lists, or create new properties if necessary. Precise IFC object properties will provide streamlined collaboration between the various partners of the extended design team.